Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on system of linear equations in 3 variables. And sa video na to ay we will have another example. So sa given natin, we have 2x minus 3y plus 10z is equal to 0. Negative 3x plus 4y minus 7z is equal to negative 8. And 5x minus 11y plus 8z is equal to 17. So again, katulad sa mga ginawa natin sa previous videos, i-label muna natin yung mga equations natin. Gawin natin equation 1 ito. This is equation 2. And this is equation 3. Next, we choose which variable to eliminate. So kahit aling variable naman pwede, no? Now suppose we choose x. Kailangan mawala yung x. And we can pair, for example, equation 1 and equation 2. Kung makikita natin, meron tayong 2x tsaka negative 3x. Maganda kasi may negative tsaka positive. Kaso nga lang magkaiba sila. So para maging parehong number sila, pwede natin kunin yung kanilang LCM. No? So if we disregard the negative sign, we have 2 and 3, 6. No? So dapat yung equation 1, magkakaroon tayo ng 6x. Tsaka yung equation 2, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 6x. Paano natin gagawin yon? I-multiply natin yung equation 1 ng 3, tsaka i-multiply natin yung equation 2 ng 2. Tapos i-add natin sila. So that's 3 times equation 1 para maging 6x itong 2x. And then plus, yung equation 2 natin ay multiply natin ng 2 para yung negative 3x maging negative 6x. So 2 times equation 2. Now, if we multiply equation 1 by 3, we have 6x minus 9y plus 30z equals 0. And then I multiply all the terms of equation 2 by 2. So that's negative 6x plus 8y minus 14z is equal to negative 16. Okay. So pwede ko na silang dalawa i-add, no? I can put the addition sign here. So 6x plus negative 6x is 0. Pwede na yan i-cancel. Negative 9y plus 8y is negative y. And then yung 30z plus negative 14z, positive 16. And then we have z is equal to negative 16. Ito na yung magiging equation 4 natin. Yung equation 4, dalawang variables na lang, which means na kailangan din natin mag-solve ng another pair at dapat ang maiwan din ay yung variables na y and z para magiging 2 equations in 2 variables na siya. So we can choose another pair. Pwedeng equation 1 saka equation 3 for example. So for equation 1 saka equation 3, kailangan x pa rin yung ating dapat i-eliminate, di ba? Para y and z na lang yung matitira para ma-pair naman natin siya dito sa equation 4. So, ang problema natin, ang 2x tsaka 5x, pareho silang positive. So, i-multiply natin yung isa sa kanila ng negative, no? So, yung 2 tsaka 5, yung LCM niya ay 10. Kung gusto natin maging 10 ito, dapat negative 10 ito. Para pag inad natin, magiging 0. Paano ito maging 10? I-multiply natin yung buong equation by 5. Para maging 10x yung 2x. So meaning we have to multiply equation 1 by 5. So 5 times equation 1. And then we add it to negative 2 times equation 3. Kaya siya negative 2 para maging negative 10 ito pag minultiply natin. So if you multiply the first equation by 5, we have 10x minus 15y plus 50z is equal to 0. And then, if we multiply equation 3 by negative 2, we have negative 10x plus 22y minus 16z equals negative 34. Okay, pwede na natin i-add kasi pwede na natin i-eliminate yung x. So, we can put the addition sign. Yung 10x tsaka negative 10x, magiging 0 na yan, makakancel na. So, negative 15y plus 22y is 7y. And then 50z minus 16z is 34z. So positive siya is equal to negative 34. And this is equation 5. So ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin is we'll use equation 4 and equation 5 to eliminate one of the variables. Now notice that we have minus y here and we have 7y here. Tapos meron 16z at 34z. Mas maganda na sa y tayo mag-eliminate, no? Kasi mas madali. So ang gagawin natin, pwede nating i-multiply ito ng 7 para magiging negative 7y siya. Tapos pag inad natin dito, ang result magiging 0. So ibig sabihin, we have 7 times equation 4 plus equation 5. Okay, so if we multiply equation 4 by 7, we have negative 7y plus 112. Z equals, that's negative 112. And then we copy equation 5, we have 7y plus 34z equals negative 34. And then we add. So makakancel yung negative 7y tsaka 7y. And then we have 146z is equal to negative 146, which means that z is equal to negative 1. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung value ng z. And we can use one of these para makuha natin yung value ng y, no? So mas madali siguro i-compute kung nasa pangalawang equation tayo. So using the second equation, we have 7 times y plus 34 times z, which is negative 1, equals negative 34. 7y minus 34 is equal to negative 34, which means that 7y equals negative 34 plus 34. 7y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. X na lang, no? So balik tayo sa taas. Pwede natin siguro gamitin yung pinakamadaling equation. Pero halos pare-pareho lang naman, no? So we'll use the first one. So we have 2x plus, ano yung y natin? 0. 2x plus 3 times 0 is just 0. And then plus 10 times negative 1 is equal to 0. We have 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. If we add 10 to both sides, we have 2x equals 10. And if we divide both sides by 2, we have x equals 5. Okay? So, ang value ng x natin ay 5, ang y natin ay 0, at ang z natin ay negative 1. Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.